When people are involved in something wrong, it's our duty to study the matter and to address it in the most beautiful way. Most beautiful way. You cannot just get up and start shouting people and swearing people. Let me tell you something. At the time of the Prophet Moses, Musa alayhi salam, he was the Nabi. He was the Prophet of Allah. He was the highest in status as a Prophet of Allah at the time. And who was the worst guy? Fir'aun. Now, does Allah not know the future? Allah knows the future. Does Allah not know who is going to be guided and who is not going to be guided? Allah knows. So Allah knows that Fir'aun is never going to be guided. Does Allah not know that? Allah knew that Fir'aun is not going to become a Muslim. He's not going to turn to Allah. He's a criminal and he's going to stay this way. Still, Allah sent Musa alayhi salam to a criminal, the worst of the time, a tyrant. And Allah says to him and to Harun, go to the Pharaoh. How should you talk to him? Should you get up and start screaming and shouting at him in front of everyone? The Pharaoh, that is the Pharaoh Fir'aun, the worst guy ever. فَقُولَا لَهُ قَوْلًا لَيِّنًا لَعَلَّهُ يَتَذَكَّرُ أَوْ يَخْشَى مع أن الله عز وجل علم أنه لن يخشى ولن يتذكر. Allah knows that he will never ever turn and he will never ever take heed. But Allah says, go and speak to him softly and kindly. Allahu Akbar. Use soft words. Use method that perhaps he might take heed. Allah never ever told Musa alayhi salam or any prophet of Allah that go, shout at him, yell at him, make a disgrace of him and you will be happy and that's okay. And then you feel that I am fulfilled and everything is good. Allahu Akbar. Where is the Sunnah? Where is the Quran? Where is Allah? Who is Allah in your life? Do you take instruction from Allah?